The worst time to discover your generator system has a problem is exactly at the moment you need it the most. Only running a generator under load will determine if it is able to carry the load. Genset Services Incorporated understands the importance of load banking. Load banking is the process of connecting an ancillary load to the generator system. Only loading the generator to its assigned load will verify if, in the event of a power outage, your standby generator set is capable of carrying its assigned load. The industry standard is to load bank with resistive power. This loads the generator section at 100% unity power factor. Loading by switching the system load to the generator is not an adequate test. Only a simulated load bank test will ensure the generator system is loaded and tested to 100% of its rated capacity. Testing to 100% of capacity ensures the cooling system, the most frequent reason for failure, is working efficiently. Only a load bank test can load the system to full capacity and attain the temperatures to test the cooling system and burn off harmful excess fuel and carbon deposits. The National Fire Protection Agency recommends annual load bank testing of critical load generator set installations. Bringing the engine to operating temperature for a period, as defined by NFPA 110, eliminates the buildup of carbon deposit and burns off unused fuel and carbon deposits in the exhaust system, a condition known as wet stacking. Wet stacking is a condition where upburnt fuel and carbon deposits build up in the exhaust system, producing smoke and unnecessary pollution. Generator systems loaded less than 30% never reach their optimum operating temperature. A generator that is continually run on a light load will start to exhibit the symptoms of wet stacking. Carbon deposits will form on injectors, pistons, rings, turbochargers, valves, and accumulate in the lubrication oil. All of these conditions will result in reduced performance and reduced engine life. Maintenance downtimes are also extended because of the additional work required to remove carbon deposits from key internal components. A frequent sign of engine suffering from wet stacking is excessive black smoke on startup. Another cause of underperformance is problems with an engine's cooling system. Load banking will verify if cooling is adequate for the generator to carry the load without overheating. Airflow over the radiator is critical for cooling. Most common problems with cooling are loss of coolant due to radiator leaks and faulty hoses. Also, radiator fins can become blocked with debris, which will significantly reduce airflow and the radiator's cooling ability. With the engine, cooling issues, such as faulty water pump or faulty thermostat, will be identified if insufficient cooling is detected during the load bank test. Load banking can be part of the usual planned maintenance contract. An experienced technician brings to the generator set a mobile load bank rated to carry the required load. Our technician carries out the recommended NFPA 110 4-hour test. After verifying suitability for load banking procedure, the technician first connects the wires to the load bank, then connects the wires to the generator circuit breaker. The generator set is then started, and quite often, a set that has not been loaded on prior runs will smoke on start. The technician records the readings, verifies the set is performing as it's meant to, and logs it in the report referencing the hours that have passed. So to summarize, load banking to set NFPA standards is the only method to verify 100% performance and will 1. Detect problems due to coolant, 2. Detect problems due to the radiator, 3. Identifies issues connected to light loading that can lead to wet stacking, and 4. Make sure your generator is ready to perform. Use Genset Services for planned maintenance. Number 1 in load banking. Genset Services ensures their customers are all set to go and their generators can carry the load.